In science, we mostly talk about our results. We talk about what we found and how cool it is or how important it is. What we don't talk about a lot is how we get those results. And not only are our methods important, but before we even start collecting data, it's important to decide where to do that. That's called site selection. For field biologists, what we have to do is pick the right places. We've got the whole world to choose from. We've got to pick the right places that will help us answer the questions that we have. For us, our question is how pikas are genetically adapted to different environments. That means we need low elevation sites and high elevation sites and some in between. That can be a real challenge for a lot of different reasons, especially in a park like North Cascades National Park. It's beautiful here and there's a ton of pika habitat. But we have issues like how to access our habitat. For high elevation sites, some of it has a trail going to it, others are a little bit too dangerous for us to be climbing. So we have to take into consideration the safety of our crew. We also have to think about whether or not pikas will be in a place. And we don't always know that until we get there. Especially at our low elevation sites where pikas tend to be in lower densities and sometimes they aren't in the talus at low elevations, we then have to cross those places off our list. They may be in a good spot, but if they don't have pikas, they're not of use to us for our genetic study. So lately we've been doing a lot of looking at maps, visiting sites, hiking up and down trails, trying to find those perfect spots that will help us answer our questions here in the North Cascades.